nayo sasa. Remember we have another sitting kule juu. Twendeni.
Ndio paralyze kwa sababu hii wenye unaona hii iko na kadhu.
Of pollution, and also we have issues of what's the other issue? Population increase along the riverbanks. So you find that as we go into the lake, the water gets a bit turbid, right from the delta up to the mid-lake. The values are quite distinct.
The last few years, River Gilgil have not been flowing throughout the year. It was a perennial year, but since like 2020, we have experienced it has experienced some difficulties, mainly caused by uncontrolled human activities, and hence, since that year, we have experienced it not being a perennial river. It has started being a seasonal river. The main challenge that we have found that is what we call encroachment. Farmers have encroached. They are doing unsustainable agriculture, but it is our duty now to sensitize, to educate them, and at least make sure something is done.